Hi, Mrs. Cosby's class up there at Dutch Fork Elementary School. My name is Rob Fowler. I'm the Chief Meteorologist at WCBD. We're the NBC affiliate in Charleston, just down the road from you guys. And your student teacher, Miss Fowler, is actually my daughter, and she kind of asked me if I would help her out a little bit as she teaches weather to talk about tornado formation. This is getting into tornado season. Typically the spring months, that's when we see most of our tornado activity. We hope that your school did participate in the tornado drill yesterday, so you know exactly what to do. But tornado formation really starts out with thunderstorms, and what happens is before thunderstorms develop, winds can change direction and speed with altitude or with height. It's what we call vertical wind shear, where you have winds coming from one direction at one altitude, maybe another direction from a different altitude, also a different speed. So this is kind of what it would look like. You would have a rotating column of air more horizontal, where you've got more surface winds near the ground, say coming out of the south and east. Upper level winds just above the surface could be coming in from a different direction and maybe be a little bit stronger. So that would cause the air to rotate. Then rising air within a thunderstorm updraft tilts the rotating air column from horizontal to vertical. So this is kind of what it would look like. Remember, we got the horizontal rotation. Now we've got a lifting where it's turning more vertical, rising up into the thunderstorm. Then what happens is an area of rotation extends through much of the storm. At this point, most tornadoes form within this rotation, typically about 2 to 6 miles wide. And again, now all of a sudden our horizontal has turned more vertical, and now we've got that rotating column of air that could eventually become a tornado. And that's what we're looking for inside of thunderstorms. Now, a lot of times you hear about tornado watches and warnings. What's the difference? Well, there's a big difference. A tornado watch means get set, get ready. A tornado could happen. Doesn't mean it is happening. It just means it might. Meanwhile, a tornado warning means stop what you're doing and take action immediately. That means we have either seen a tornado from a weather spotter, or we have also detected one by one of our special radars, our Doppler radar. That obviously means you need to take cover immediately. And what does that mean? Well, when we go under a tornado warning, go to the lowest level of your home, interior bathroom or hallway, no windows. Put as many walls between you and the outside of the house as possible. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles immediately. We hope you'll never have to use these tips, but we know living where you do, we do have tornadoes in the Midlands of South Carolina, in the Columbia area, so we have to make sure we know exactly what to do and do it very quickly if you go under a tornado warning. Thanks for letting me teach you a little bit of lesson about tornado formation. Hope you have a great time studying weather. It's very, very important because it impacts every one of us every single day of the year.